everybody. My name is Craig Haskins, and I'm the owner of Haskins Engineering. First of all, I want to thank you for giving me a chance to send a video just to see if what I'm doing might align with what you're currently up to with your current business or campaign. I'm going to jump right in right now. I know time is of the essence, and I'm going to do the best I can to make this under 3 minutes. So this is going to have to really be quick. First things first, leads. Everybody wants them. In fact, leads are something that everybody needs, and they need to be the right leads. So the first thing I'm going to start with my actual presentation is the outcome result. Not only that, I want you to notice that this is not November of now. This is November of last year. I'm going to do a quick scroll just to show you. This is the hot leads, interested people of my efforts that I did for that year that I got in. And I'm just going to blast right through this really quick. I'm going to say it once right now. If you're not getting activity of people saying yes, and the people that want to work with you, or it's going somewhere other than a networking position, you should really just look at this scroll and the time that it's taking me, because this is going to be in the majority of 1.5 minutes of time. And that's what I like to show in a presentation, is that long of a video showing how many leads I get. I think you get the gist of it. And there's more. I could keep going down. Let's go over to miscellaneous. Once again, these are people that say yes. These are people that say something that we didn't catch because they didn't say yes. They said sure, or something of that nature. Scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling of continuous outbound leads. Now, I'm going to cap this off and go right over to LinkedIn. So, here's the deal. With LinkedIn, everybody's using it the wrong way. Most people right now are sending out invitations. They're hoping people accept, and they turn around and hit them and bombard them with auto follow-ups. Unfortunately, that just doesn't work anymore. What I've done is I've spent more time on looking at LinkedIn all around everything that they offer, a way of messaging them outbound, and most importantly, ways of messaging outbound of people that I'm not connected with. I can do over 200 emails a day without ever using a credit. While everybody else is doing open profile messages and annoying everybody with their auto follow-ups and stuff, I'm completely using LinkedIn on other engines, other ways of doing things. So I will admit that I do use automation. In fact, I use a lot of automation. I mean, I'm an automation engineer, so what do you expect? But here's the system. It's actually on right now as we speak. It's running. And what I love about it is it's human simulated. There's no plugins. In fact, I use Firefox for one reason only, because everyone else is using Google Chrome. See, I try to stand out, just like you should try to stand out when you're trying to create clients. I try to stand out when I'm creating innovative technology so it catches your attention. And most importantly, it's not about aesthetics. I know everybody buys Expandio, Octopus, Meet Alfred, all these wonderful tools that look great to the eye, but they're not a good workhorse. They're not going to get you across the mountain. This is something that I focus on with you with your campaign. I focus on you with your message. I focus on the technology. I set it all up, and I make it run based on all my strategies that I create, which are all outbound. Now, if you are currently using LinkedIn right now as we speak, and you have a system that is in place and you're not creating, once again, let's cruise back over. Results, not once again, for the second or third time. Look, I'm on my live sheet right now, and these are real leads of people that are coming in saying they're interested. So I can go ahead and hit this right now and show you that I'm currently, let's just hit refresh, sending out outbounds as we've been on this meeting, because you just saw it on the system here. These are all in-mails. These are all 100% in-mails. And as you notice, they're not just premium accounts. They're not just open profiles either. So when you're able to cover a lot of numbers by using technology like this, and also at the same time, the consistency of the right message and getting it on right there, I'm telling you, you will have the result, just like I just showed you right over here. All these leads of people that come in and say they're interested in your product. Now, I don't want to show publicly everything that I'm doing on the interior here. I wanted to make a quick video. So with that said, if you like what you saw and you are curious to know what I'm up to because you think it could value your business or even your clients, Let's get offline, let's get off LinkedIn, and let's get on a quick screen share, and I'll be more than happy to show that to you. In fact, on the message that I'm getting ready to reply to you, you will find my calendar link under it. It's www.meetwithcraig.com. Schedule, let's get on an actual presentation. Let's talk about your business. And most importantly, let me show you what I'm up to. I look forward to it. Have a good day.